So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Scotiabank stock here on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, go to the top right and press on the search icon. At the top, type in BNS, ticker symbol BNS, or the Bank of Nova Scotia, or Scotiabank. Now, this can be bought in the US market or the Canadian market. So if you're here in Canada, like I am, I'll just press on the Canadian one. But if you're in the US, press on the US one. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. On the buy page, you can adjust the session type, the order type. For example, limit order or market order. Once you're here where it says quantity, you can type in the amount that you want. So if you wanted, 10 shares, the estimated cost would be below. And if you want to proceed that way, press on buy, and there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Scotiabank stock or Bank of Nova Scotia stock here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.